My students, so today we are discuss IUPAC names of carbon compounds. Suppose carbon compounds attach with function groups, so that time I will give the number function group side. So number of function groups have there. Suppose for example COOH. So COOH is a carboxylic acid function group. Okay, attach of COOH. That is a carboxylic acid function group. So this carboxylic acid function group contain oic acid, oic acid, IUPAC word. Suppose attach OH. Some carbon compounds attach with OH group. So that is a alcoholic function group. So this alcoholic function group contain all IUPAC word. all IUPAC word. Next, suppose CHO. So attach of CHO. So CHO is aldehyde function group. Okay, so it is a carboxylic acid function group. It is a alcoholic function group or alcohol function group. So alcoholic function group OH, and it is a aldehyde function group. So suppose C double bond O, ketone function group. C double bond O, ketone function group. So what is the IUPAC word of aldehyde function group? So it is a al word. Al, al. Ol, al. So alcoholic function group ol, aldehyde function group IUPAC word al. Next, ketone. So C double bond O means ketone. So we write own word, O-N-E, own word, ketone, own word. Okay, so that is carboxylic acid oic word, alcohol ol word, aldehyde al, al. Next, ketone, O-N-E, own. So now we have discussed some examples. Suppose for example, so CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond OH. Our second example, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH bond OH bond CH3. Suppose third example, CH3 bond, CH bond Cl, bond CH2, bond OH, bond CH3. So these are all different types of carbon compounds. So these carbon compounds attach with the alcoholic function group, alcohol function group. So attach OH, alcohol function group, attach OH, alcohol function group, attach OH, alcohol function group. Suppose, so this is a long chain. So overall, when function group is attached with the which side? Function group is attached which side? So we have given the number that side. Okay. Okay, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So from left side, fourth carbon is attached with the OH group. Or from right side, first carbon is attached with OH group. That time we have given number which side? Right side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First we write how many carbons? 4 carbons. So 4 carbons means bute. Okay, 4 carbons means bute. So OH alcoholic group attached with first carbon. So that time we write 1 ol. 1 ol. So 1 ol, or it is also called 1 butanol. 1 ol, bute 1 ol, or 1 butanol. Or suppose second example. So hydroxy OH group, alcoholic group attached from left side 1, 2, 3, third carbon. From right side 1, 2, second carbon. So here we have choose least number side. We have given the number least number side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First we write how many carbons? 4 carbons. So that time we write bute word, and next further, so second carbon attached with OH group, that time we write 2 ol. So 2 ol, or 2 butanol. Okay, bute 2 ol or 2 butanol. Okay, so it is next second example. Suppose for example we have taken third example. So it is also attached with the functional group OH, alcohol functional group. At the same time, this carbon compound attached with one chlorine group. So at the same time we have given the number which side? Function group side. So function group attached from left side 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth carbon. From right side 1, 2, second carbon. So we have given the number least number side. Okay, least number side. So 1, 2. That time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So overall, first we write the attached groups. Okay, suppose this example does not attach the groups. So we write that bute 2 ol. But here attach chlorine group. Which carbon? Fourth carbon. So that time we write 4 chloro. 4 chloro. Next, how many carbons? 5 carbons. We write pent. We write pent. So 4 chloro pent. So 2 ol. 2 ol. Another name 4 chloro 2 pentanol. Okay, so 4 chloro 2 pentanol. Okay, so first we write some groups. Next further, so how many carbons? Suppose for example the carbon compound contain 4 carbons bute or 5 carbons pent. Further we write function group. Okay, suppose one carbon compound attached with so 2 OH groups, 2 alcoholic groups. Suppose CH3 bond CH bond OH, CH bond OH, CH3. So these function, this compound is a carbon compound attached with the two OH groups. So that time we have given the number which side. Suppose 1 2 from left side 1 2. So second carbon attached with OH group. So 3. Third carbon also attached with the OH group. Suppose from right side 1 2. Second carbon attached with OH group. Third carbon is also attached with the OH group. So that time first we write how many carbons? 4 carbons. So this compound does not attach with another groups like a CH3 or chlorine does not attach with the CH3 or chlorine. So only function group. So that time we write bute. So 1 2 3 4. Second and third carbon attached with OH groups. So that time we write 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. So 2 OH groups. We write di what? Di. So diol. So bute 2 comma 3 diol. Okay, so it is another example. So next further, suppose carbon compounds attached with the ketone function group. That time we write which word? Own word. So ketone, own word. Suppose for example CH3 bond, CH2 bond. So carbon double bond O, CH2 bond CH3. Or suppose second one CH3 bond, CH bond CH3, CH2 bond, C double bond O, CH3. So next third example CH3 bond, C double bond O, bond CH2, C double bond O, bond CH3. So overall, they are all examples is attached with the ketone function group. C double bond O, ketone function group. Okay, suppose so C double bond O from left side 1 2 3. So third carbon attached with the ketone function group. From right side 1 2 3. Third carbon attached with the ketone function group. So that time we have given the number any side, left side or right side. Okay, so suppose 1 2 3 4 5. So this compound only attach with function group, does not attach with the methyl or chlorine remaining groups. Okay, so overall first we write how many carbons? 5 carbons. So 5 carbons means just like pent. 5 carbons means pent. So next further, third carbon attached with the function group. So we write 3 on. 3 on. Third carbon attached with the ketone function group. So pent 3 on, or another name 3 pentanone. Okay, so pent 3 on or 3 pentanone. Suppose next further, so it is attached with the ketone group at the same time methyl group. So first we will give the number which side? Function group side. Suppose function group from left side 1 2 3 4, fourth carbon. From right side 1 2, second carbon. So we will give the number which side? Right side. So 1 2 3 4 5. So first we write the attaching groups. This long chain attached with the methyl group. So which carbon? Fourth carbon. Fourth carbon attached with the methyl group. So first we write that group. Okay. So overall 4 methyl. 4 methyl. So how many carbons? 5 carbons. So 5 carbons means just like a pent. Okay, pent. Next, second carbon attached with ketone group. So we write 2 on. 2 on. So 4 methyl pent 2 on. Or another name 4 methyl 2 pentanone. Okay, 4 methyl 2 pentanone. Next further, suppose CH3 bond, carbon double bond O, bond CH2, bond C double bond O, bond CH3. So it is contain ketone function group for 2 places. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Second carbon attached with ketone. 3, 4. Fourth carbon attached with ketone. From right side, 1, 2. Second carbon attached with ketone. 3, 4. Fourth carbon attached with ketone. So we are given the number left side or right side. So both are equal. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we write how many carbons. It is not attached with the methyl group or chlorine group. Okay, first we write how many carbons? 5 carbons. So that time we write so pent. Next further, second carbon, fourth carbon attached with the ketone group. So 2, 4. 2, 4. So 2 groups. We write diol, di, and next on. So pent 2, 4 diol. Okay, so it is a ketone function group. Next further, we write aldehyde function group. Okay, we write aldehyde function group. So aldehyde function group, just like CHO. What is function? What is IUPAC word? Al. So al is IUPAC word of aldehyde function group. Suppose for example, we write CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CHO. Or second example, CH3 bond, CH bond Cl, bond CH2 bond CHO. Or suppose third example, CH3 bond, carbon C bond CH3 bond CH3. So bond CH2 bond CH bond CH3 bond CHO. So overall there are examples contain aldehyde function group CHO. So overall first example. So from left side 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth carbon attached with CHO. From right side 1, 2, 3, 4. So first carbon. So we are given the number from right side. Suppose we are given the number only carbon side. Suppose only attached to OH. That time we are given the number this carbon. But CHO, we have given the number carbon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbons? 4 carbons. So that time we write which word? But word. Okay, but. Next further, first carbon is attached with the aldehyde CHO. So one all. Aldehyde function group all, one all, or another name one butanol. So compare with alcohol and aldehyde, butanol, ol, alcohol. Butanol, al, aldehyde. Okay, next further, next one. So it is attached with the aldehyde function group and next chlorine group also. So that time they give the number aldehyde function group sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, first carbon. So that time 1, 2, 3, 4. First we write attaching groups. So like a chlorine. So this is a function group. This is chlorine. Chlorine attached with which carbon? Third carbon. So that time 3 chloro. How many carbons? 4 carbons. So but 3 chloro, but 1 all. Or 3 chloro, 1 butanol. 3 chloro, 1 butanol. Okay, so that is second one. Next, third one. So this carbon compound is a long chain attached with 3 alkyl groups, 3 methyl groups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One aldehyde function group CHO. So that time we have given the number aldehyde function group side. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we write the alkyl methyl function group, methyl groups. Second carbon attached with one methyl group. Fourth carbon attached with 2 methyl groups. So that time we write 2 comma 4 comma 4. So total how many methyl groups? 3. So tri 2 comma 4 comma 4 trimethyl. So how many carbons? 5 carbons. So pent long chain contain how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. So pent and 1 all. So 2 comma 4 comma 4 trimethyl pent 1 all, or 2 comma 4 comma 4 trimethyl 1 pentanol. Okay, 1 pentanol. So this is a aldehyde function group. Next further we have discussed. So next further we have discussed carboxylic acid function group. Okay. So carboxylic acid function group. So overall carboxylic acid function group COOH. What is the IUPAC word? Oic acid. Okay, oic acid. Suppose for example CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, COOH. And second one CH3 bond, CH bond Br, bond CH2 bond COOH. Suppose this example, so it is attached with the carboxylic functional group. that is COOH. So that time we have given the number carboxylic functional group side. So first carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth carbon from left side. Right side first carbon. So that time we have given the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many carbons? 4 carbons. First we write butene. Okay, first we write butene. Next further, first carbon attached with the carboxylic acid. So 1 oic acid or 1 butanoic acid. Okay, so but 1 oic acid or 1 butanoic acid. Okay, so next further, second example. So it is attached with the carboxylic functional group. At the same time, one group, that is bromine. So I have give the number carboxylic functional group side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So overall, third carbon is attached with the bromine group. So 3 bromo. Okay, so it is a 3 bromo. And how many carbons? 4 carbons. Okay, 4 carbons means butyl. So butyl and 1 oic acid or 3 bromo 1 butanoic acid. Okay, so 3 bromo butyl 1 oic acid or 3 bromo 1 butanoic acid. Okay, suppose sometimes give the IUPAC name, write the structure. Suppose for example, so number one overall 2 methyl, so pent 2-ol, 2 methyl pent 2-ol. Our second one, so butyl 2-ol, third one, so 3-chloro pentanoic acid, 3-chloro pentanoic acid. And fourth one, so 3, 4 trimethyl, so hexanol. Suppose 2 methyl pent 2-ol. First we write so pent or but or pent or hex. So carbons. So pent means 5 carbons. Carbon bond. So next 2-ol. 2-ol means second carbon attached with the OH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon attached with OH. So at the same time, second carbon attached with methyl group also 2-methyl. So second carbon attached with methyl group also. Now we are arranging the hydrogens. So this carbon attached with only one bond, remaining H3. So this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 fulfill. This carbon attached with 2 bonds, remaining 2 hydrogens. This carbon also attached with 2 bonds, remaining H2. So this carbon attached with only single bond, remaining H3. So that is 2-methyl pent 2-ol. So next further but 2-ol. So overall but 1, 2, 3, 4. So second carbon attached with C double bond O, ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon ketone. So next we are arrange the hydrogens. So overall H3, only single bond H3. Two bonds H2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So H3. So that is but2-one. Next further 3-chloropentanoic acid. So CH3 bond, sorry, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. COOH. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3-chloro, third carbon attached with 1 chlorine. So we are arranging the hydrogens. Only carbon single bond remaining H3. This carbon attached with 2 bonds H2. This carbon attached with 3 bonds only H. This carbon attached with 2 bonds remaining H2. Last one. So 3, 4 trimethyl butanol. So butanol means aldehyde. Sorry, hexanol means aldehyde. So hexa 6 carbons. So carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. Hexanol last CHO, all CHO. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons, all aldehyde. Next further we have used the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So functional group side. So third carbon attached with 2 methyls. 1 CH3, CH3. Next fourth carbon also attached with 1 methyl group, CH3. So we are arranging the hydrogens. So carbon only single bond H3, 2 bonds H2, 3 bonds H, 3, 4 bonds, 2 bonds H2. So this is 3, 4 trimethyl hexanol. So this is the IUPAC. So next further class we are discuss remaining examples. Okay.